Hi, my name is Raymond Rodriguez and welcome to College of Architecture channel. In this video, you will see a 4D animation of a modern 2-story residential house which was done in June of 2020. Now the lot has been excavated to make way for the septic tank and the structural foundation. Other structural components such as the column, beam, slab, and the stair have been erected, followed by the plumbing installation. It is a low-cost housing situated in Sita Grande, Lucena City, having a total floor area of 106 square meter on a 96 square meter lot area. Ground slab and both interior and exterior walls have been built. Then the roof rafters, half trusses, purlins, and roof and gutters have been installed. Doors and windows and steel grills are connected. Ceiling and all fixtures have been mounted. The living area has a high-end ceiling around 4 meters. Corner windows can be seen on both dining and living area. The kitchen is located between the dirty kitchen and the dining area. Which is adjacent to a single bedroom with its own toilet and bath. Going to the second floor, we have a typical room having its own toilet and bath. Likewise, the master's bedroom has its own toilet and bath and has its own balcony. It also has an open car park for small cars. The design is unique, modern, and has been maximized to provide the required space requirements. For your house plans and designs, send us a message at College of Architecture channel on Facebook. For more ideas of modern houses, like and subscribe to College of Architecture channel.